In this section, we're going to be looking at the quadratic formula. So to start off with, the solution of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a cannot equal 0. And in order to find the solutions, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is what we call the quadratic formula. It is used in order to solve for the x's of a solution in the ax squared plus bx plus c form. So now we're going to go ahead and solve an example using the quadratic formula. Here we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, now let's go ahead and label our terms a, b, and c so we don't get them confused. Now we're going to plug each element into the equation. So we're going to start off with x equals negative b. And here we know that b is 3, so it's going to be a negative 3. Plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 3 squared, minus 4 times a, where in this equation a is 2, times c, which here it's a negative 5, all divided by 2a. 2 times a, which would be 2, so 2 times 2. Now we can go ahead and start simplifying this equation. Let's go ahead and start with the top row first. So we get x equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of, and then 3 squared would be 9, so 9, minus 4 times 2 times negative 5 is going to give us a negative 40 times negative 40. All divided by 2 times 2, which equals 4. Now we can go ahead and simplify it more. We get negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 49, because when there's two negatives it becomes a plus sign, so 9 plus 40 equals 49, divided by 4. And now we can simplify it further. We get negative 3 plus or minus 7, because the square root of 49 is 7, divided by 4. Now what you want to do is you want to split it up into two equations. You're going to have x equals negative 3 plus 7 divided by 4. And now your second equation is going to be x equals negative 3 minus 7 divided by 4. And you can solve each one individually. So the first one, negative 3 plus 7, is going to give us a 4. And 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So x equals 1. And then when we solve the other side, we get negative 3 minus negative 7 equals negative 10 divided by 4 is going to equal a negative 5 over 2. So these are the two solutions to the equation, and we did this by using the quadratic formula.